Hi everyone, welcome to Consistent Actions. Our main focus is towards consistency in three things like fitness, trading, and finance. So before initiating the video about the finance, I just wanted to tell you all that I'm not an expert into any of this field. I'm just learning this thing. The only thing that I observed is about not being consistent in these three important things. So I just wanted to be a consistent and excited to learn all that things. So the things that I'm going to share with you in the upcoming slides. These are all my personal experience. So make sure that you also do some research about it. I obviously covered most of the things, but it is very important to do more research and to understand that part. So let's begin with our video finance part. Know your tax resume. Yeah. Hi everyone. So hope you are doing well. Today is day 22, 22nd of January. Before starting video, I just wanted to tell I'm facing some issue on my laptop that while recording this particular video, you might hear some background noise which I cannot eliminate. So if you want to listen and look for this video, just keep the volume low so that it will not irritate through that voice. Like sorry for that, but I don't have any alternative right now. So let's begin uh, with our main video that as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to get a main video on finance part. So let's get deep down into that. It's a video number one. I will going to share more videos on this topic. My main topic for today's session is know your tax regime. I decided to make this video considering me in the first side because I'm currently associated with an organization and it's my first company. Even the first time I'm going to do some investment, going to know more about what exactly the tax regimes are, how you can save more. So likewise, me, most of you might be going through the same phase, or many of you might already had gone but have no idea. So this is very basic and very important kind of a fundamentals that you can consider before you start your investment or about knowing the tax part. So let's begin. What exactly the tax regime? So there are two types of tax regime. Like the first one is old tax regime and the second one is new tax regime. The tax regime has been made in such a way that in old tax regime we have maximum investment opportunities that you can show. While in the new tax regime the opportunities are less compared to the old tax regime, but the percentage are also less. But it has been made so well, and let's understand what exactly it is. So I'll jump directly to my next slide. Here you can see on the left side it's old tax regime, while on the right side is new regime. In the middle it's your income, annual CTC. So let's understand how it is divided. The first thing that I mentioned is up to 2.5 lakh. We have no income tax slab. Like you have to pay 0% good rate. We are saving all you have 2.5 lakh, but there is no use of 2.5 lakh in today's world. What I feel, CTC considering CTC part. Okay. Now let's move on to 2.5 till 5 lakh. So in this tax slab, you have to pay 5% in both the cases, like old tax regime and the new tax regime. For the tax slab in between 5 to 7.5 lakh CTC, in old tax regime, you have to pay 20% tax, while in the new tax regime, you have to pay only 10% tax. Likewise, this I divided the other CTC part like 7.5 to 10 lakh, 10 to 12.5 lakh. Now let's understand, like if you have income 15 lakh and above, you have to pay 30% of the tax as per the old tax regime, while in the new regime you have to pay 30% same. As I mentioned earlier, the investment opportunities are more in the old tax regime compared to the new tax regime. But before that, you should understand about how much percentage of tax you are going to pay. So let's understand more deeper with an example. If I have a salary around 7.5 lakh per annum, so as per the old tax regime, how much percentage do I need to pay of the tax? I'll explain you. Even for the new tax regime, I'll explain that one. So for the old tax regime, let's go step by step. 7.5 lakh. So you have to divide it first for 0 to 2.5 lakh, then 2.5 till 5 lakh, then 5 to 7.5 lakh. Here you can see. in the previous slide. The first one is up to 2.5 lakh, second one is 2.5 till 5 lakh, the third one is 5 to 7 lakh. You have to divide in that manner. So up to 2.5 lakh, you don't have any tax. So consider it as zero. But 2.5 to 5 lakh, you have to pay 5% as per the old tax regime. So 5% of this 2.5 lakh is 12,500. You can calculate it. While talking about 5 lakh to 7.5 lakh, as per the old tax regime, you have to pay 20% of the tax. So the amount is 50,000, and overall 7.5 lakh, you have to pay total tax of 12,500 plus 50,000 is equal to 65,000. So this is as per the old tax regime. Now let's talk about the new tax regime. Okay, so in the new tax regime, like let's understand or let's divide again, like 0 to 2.5 lakh, then 2.5 till 5 lakh, then 5 to 7.5 lakh. So again, for up to 2.5 lakh, the tax rate is 0 or the percentage is 0. But for 2.5 till 5 lakh, the percentage is 5%. Here you can see on the right side. And for 5 to 7.5 lakh, it's 10%. So 2.5 to 5 lakh, 5% is 12,500, while in between 5 lakh to 7.5 lakh, it's 10%. So basically 2.5 lakh, 10% is 25,000, and the total tax you need to pay is 37,500 as per the new tax regime. Okay, so this is the difference that you can see, 65,000 and 37,500. It's actually double in the old tax regime. Now, in order to go more in deeper, you first of all understand how much tax you wanted to pay and know your tax pay first of all. You can comment it down if you wanted to, but it's better to understand this thing first. Then we will talk about the investment part in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great time. I'll share the next video very soon. And again, sorry because of that background noise. I'm going to fix it very soon again. And have a great day. Bye. Thank you.